Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will be discussing about Kodak stock. I made a video about Kodak stock 5 days ago. It's basically an analysis of my previous video that I did last week. So let's get started. So in last week's video about Kodak, the price was around $35 to $50 a share. But now as y'all can see, it's down around 72 to 75% from its highs of $50 a share and is trading around $13 to $15 a share today. So in my previous video, I did mention that you should definitely not buy the stock and rather short it. And if you did short the stock, you would be up over 50% just in gains. So let me explain you why Kodak stock went down and whether it will go up in the future. One of the main reasons why Kodak stock has been on a big downturn this past week or two was due to the fact that the stock is under SEC investigation. So, after President Trump gave Kodak a $765 million loan to make drugs at its US factories, the stock price, as you all know, went up as high as $60 a share. And during that $60 a share movement, Kodak management decided to dilute shares, making their shares more valuable as dilution increases um, share volume. Additionally, in May of 2020, there was a lot of options, vested options within salaries of top ranking officials like the CEO and the CFO. So there's something fishy going on there because in May they found out that they would try to get a loan, and if successful, they knew their stock price would go very high. And since it really did go high, the CEO's salary actually went up 14x in the past 2 days because the run up was so big and their option strike prices were less than $5 a share. So their investment or what they received from management uh, really increased their salaries. So the problem with this is that SEC regulates public companies and they have to ensure that Kodak management did not know information before the general public. And this has been an issue with many companies, but the SEC is taking Kodak's situation much more seriously, as the spike up was very big and the spike down is very big as well. Was down so much in the past week was due to short selling. They had a short float of around 155%. So essentially more stocks were shorted than actually bought in this past week. And just due to the sheer fact that it's not valuable at all. I mean, the market cap is 630 million with no profits in the past 5 years. It makes no fundamental sense for a penny stock, like a $2 stock, to be up, to $55, $60. As y'all can see, the 52-week high was $60. So if y'all still have this stock shorted, just remember that there's also limited downside potential, right? There is some added value of the 750 million loan, and I don't think it'll go exactly down to $2. I think there's a little bit more downside, but it's not worth the risk at this moment. So if you do have a short position, I would try to get out of it soon because you don't know with retail traders, they might want to go back into the stock. I've seen with many stocks, many pharmaceutical stocks like SRNE and INO. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment down below what you think and have a good day.